Hi, it's the Naked Traders. With only 3 weeks to the year end, December has started with the markets dominated by political stories, and this week's focus will be on central banks and economic data releases. We see the expected Federal Reserve hike this week, and the focus will be on their final FOMC statement of the year, along with other top-tier US economic reports lined up, including the latest CPI and retail sales reports. In Europe, we'll also be getting the latest batch of PMI reports for the Eurozone, and we'll also have the final ECB statement of the year to look forward to. In the UK, we have the latest PMI reports and manufacturing data, as well as the final Bank of England statement of the year. Any shocks could shake things up in the markets. One of the skills you develop as a trader is not only being able to identify current opportunities in the markets, but also to spot opportunities that are potentially developing in the future. Using simple price patterns is a perfect way to be able to identify these opportunities, and today we will be using a head and shoulders pattern. A head and shoulders pattern is used to predict a trend reversal. Where have we seen these patterns before? This dollar CAD head and shoulders pattern here last year, resulting in a 1000 pip drop. This inverted head and shoulders on the Euro AD that rose over 2000 pips. And more recently, dollar yen trade that dropped over 1,500 pips are among the many examples you'll find going through your charts. Notice a head and shoulders pattern developing on the futures market, and being more specific, the US dollar index. So why is this chart important to you as a Forex trader? The US dollar index is a measure of the value of the US dollar relative to a basket of international currencies with varying relative weight. These currencies include the major pairs. When the market outlook for the US dollar is unclear, more often times than not, the US dollar index provides a better picture. In the wide world of Forex, the US dollar can be used as an indicator of the US dollar's strength. The US dollar index began this uptrend in 2014, with it hitting the high on this chart at the beginning of 2017. So why are we getting excited about this chart? This pattern here. In the coming weeks and possibly months, we'll be watching this chart to see if it forms this right shoulder. As ever with the US dollar, political distractions are catalysts in market reversals, and when it comes to Trump, the tensions in North Korea, Russian links investigations, and now Jerusalem, each have the potential to significantly affect the dollar should any of these events take a negative turn, causing a potential devaluation of the US dollar. With the launch of Insomnia Automated Trader, trading on proven trade setups couldn't be simpler. Insomnia's advanced algorithm automatically identifies and executes trades using a proven strategy that has made over 5,000 pips in the past 12 months. If you trade from your mobile phone, then our Pro Trader plan is perfect for you. You can trade from your phone in just 10 minutes a day. Gain full access to our daily trade setups anywhere, anytime. Get our trade setups in real time by push notification and see how we're performing month by month through our trade journals.